Good morning everyone. Today I will explain about conditional statement. Conditional statement in Python perform different actions depending on whether a specific boolean constraint evaluates to true or false. Conditional statements are handled by if statement in Python. In a program, the statements are generally executed sequentially. However, at times, the user may need to change this order of execution either by repeating or skipping the execution of a few statements subject to a given condition. In such situations, the task can be performed by the user of control statement. The conditional statement check the condition and execute the statement accordingly. See the example. Let us understand this concept with a simple example. Suppose we want to withdraw some money from the ATM. We will be allowed to withdraw the money only if we enter the correct PIN number. Look at the plan of action based on the condition. Plan of action. If correct PIN number is entered, we can withdraw the money. If incorrect PIN is entered, we cannot withdraw the money. Thus, observe that we can follow one plan of action if the condition is true. Otherwise, the other plan of action is followed. Let us analyze it with the help of a flow chart. A flow chart is a pictorial representation of the flow of steps or a procedure to solve a problem. Start, go to the ATM and enter the PIN. Is the correct PIN entered? Yes, withdraw the money. No, cannot withdraw the money. Stop. In the conditional statement, the most important element is the conditional based on which the decision is based. The execution of the statement depends on the evaluation of this condition. Let us understand the various conditional statements given below. If this statement is used to evaluate only one condition, it performs a course of action if the condition evaluates to true, otherwise it skip the statement. If else, the if else control structure is used when the either of the two different actions are to be performed depending upon the result of the conditional expression. It works with two blocks, if and else. In case the conditional expression evaluates to true, the statements in the if block are executed, and if the result is false, then the statement in the else block are executed. If else. Sometimes we need to work with multiple conditions. In this case, only using if else construct does not serve the purpose. The if else statement provide a compact way to perform multiple tests on a condition. If if else, we can also check multiple condition. See the examples, see the program and output also. Thank you.